Okay, fourth graders, this is on page 266 in your math journal. Hopefully you already measured all the insects with me on 264 and 265, and this would be all the different lengths that you should have gotten. We're going to work on doing the line plot, which is down below this, but if you haven't gotten these written in, take the time to do that. You can go back and do that on the other video, it might be clearer. Otherwise I've got them up here. So when we're going to do our line plot, the first thing that I want to do is I want to look and see what the smallest insect was. And the smallest one that I see is 3/8 of an inch. So I'm going to have to erase this to move down to the line plot. And if you look down here, we're going to label this one. I'm going to see if I can make it just a tish bigger if it'll still fit on. Just barely fits on there. So that's awesome. We're going to make this line way over here. This is going to be 3/8 of an inch. And then as we go across, we're going to just keep going up. The next one would be 4/8. We just count by eighths. 5/8. Excuse me. 6/8. 7/8. 8/8 you could just put 1 because 8/8 is the same as 1 inch. This is going to be 1 1/8, 1 2/8, 1 3/8, 1 4/8, 1 5/8, and 1 6/8. Which if you look, that works out really well because 1 6/8 is our longest plug. And you see that each line here goes to one of our fractions. So, before we get going, because otherwise we'll forget to do this, try not to forget to do this part, we need a title. So this could be length of insects. And down here, this could be length to, oh, that's that messy spot in my smartboard, to the nearest 1/8 inch. Okay? And now what we do is we just look back at our insect data. And when I look at the short-tailed dusk darter dragonfly, that's 1 6/8. So I got to come over here and I make an X. Now the key here is going to be to make all your X's the same size. The next one on my list is the boreal firefly. That's 3/8. So I'm going to make my X about the same size as my X down there. And I'm just going to go all the way through this, making an X for each of these. So now I have a yellow bumblebee. That's 6/8. It's right there. Go ahead and make all of your X's all together. There should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 X's. I have 3 up there. When you're all done, there should be a total of 15 including those 3. Go ahead and try that. When you're ready, hit play. Okay, so I'm going to go through. You can check yours versus mine. Next thing I have is a damselfly. That was 1 2/8. That's going to go there. The ground beetle was 7/8. The green lacewing was 5/8. The ladybug was 3/8. Now if you look, because it's my second one with 3/8, the ladybug and the boreal firefly were both 3/8. I put my X, I should have 2 X's there. The Carolina mantid was 1 6/8. I already have one of those, so I'm going to make my second X. Now notice, when I made my X, I tried to make them about the same size as the first one. The red-legged grasshopper was 1 inch. The American cockroach was 1 4/8 of an inch. The green June bug was 6/8 of an inch. That's my second one there. Paper wasp was 5/8. That's my second one of those. The southeastern cricket, or southeastern field cricket, was 7/8. The Indian meal moth was 3/8. And my katydid was 1 6/8 of an inch. That's what you should have had. 3 3/8, no 4/8, 2 5, 2 6, 2 7/8, 1 at 1 inch, 1 at 1 2/8, 1 at 1 4/8, and then 3 at 1 6/8. And that's going to be all we're going to do today for math. So I'm not assigning you any math boxes, because tomorrow we're going to use this data to help us answer more questions, and then your assignment will be the math boxes after that. Thank you for all your hard work today. Do not forget to hand in to me page 263, your math boxes that I assigned on Tuesday. Box 3 and 4, you're supposed to do letter B in each of those boxes. Take a picture and send it to my email, which is in the Schoology math assignment. It'll be in there again today on Wednesday as a reminder. So I've gotten some of them. They're looking good. Just remember to get those in. Have a great day.